Our buddy dog can't even enjoy the snow because he's in his cone. This is our first big snow of winter here in West Virginia, and it's still coming down. You can see in the light there, it's still coming down. This is our neighborhood. The plow went by just a few minutes ago, this snowplow truck, but the road's already covered again. They already called school off for us. Not that we would be going anyway, because we all have COVID here, but it's so pretty. I'm kind of glad that we're quarantined right now because we can just stay home. You can see out the back door how much snow is on the table and the chairs. I don't know if it might just continue to snow all night. I honestly didn't check the weather, but this is a lot for us for the first snow. My kids have already been out there playing and their footprints are totally covered up now.